Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix unexpected error on Instagram. So if you also want to fix unexpected error on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there might be several reasons behind this error. The first reason might be because you're not using the latest version of this application. So you'll have to update this application. For that, simply go to Play Store. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Instagram. You can see over here Instagram application will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the button for update. All you have to do is tap on it. Wait for a while. After the Instagram is updated, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache. For that, all you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings is opened. Scroll down, find the option for storage, tap on it. Now you can see over here storage is opened. Find the option for apps, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app storage. Here in this interface you'll have to find the application Instagram. Scroll down. Once you find the option for Instagram, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two options, clear storage, clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of Instagram application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed now. If your problem still persists, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. After that, your error will be fixed. So that is how you fix unexpected error on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.